question here. It asks you about a straight line passes through the point 3, 2, and the point 5 and 6. Find the equation of L. Usually, the best thing to do before start the question here is to name your points so you avoid any confusion afterwards. So this is x1, this is y1, this is x2, this is y2. And in order to answer this question, it's you have to start by the gradient. As you know, any equation of line must have the gradient, and you should know that the gradient equal change of y to y2 take away y1 divided by x2 take away x1. So now y2 we call it as 6 and y1 as 2 divided by x2 5 take away 3, which became 4 divided by 2. 4 divided by 2 is equal to, so this is the gradient. And then we need to write the equation. There are two ways here. The first one is use the equation says y equal mx plus c, which many students like to use this one to get the value of c and then apply into the equation. I'm going to use the other one here, which says y take away y1 equal gradient m x take away x1. I believe this is more straightforward to answer it, and it's up to you which equation you would like to use. Then let's substitute numbers. Y take away y1, y1 is 2, equal m is 2, x take away x1, which is 3 here. So now we need to expand and then move minus 2. So y equal, now if we try to expand here, 2 times x and then 2 times minus 3 would be 2 times x is 2x and 2 times 3 is minus 6, and then we bring it over minus 2 to the other side as plus 2. This makes it plus 2. So the equation now is y equal 2x minus 6 plus 2 is minus 4. So this is your answer now. 2x take away 4. That's why I believe this equation is easier and avoid any confusion afterward. But again, it's up to you which equation you would like to use here. Then move to the second part of this questions, telling you another line M has equation y equal minus x take away minus half. So we know this pattern here the same as y equal mx plus c. So that means m here is the gradient minus half. So we can see here the gradient of L is negative reciprocal of gradient of m. We know the gradient that we got for equation L was 2. This one is minus half. And since this is a negative reciprocal, so they are perpendicular, as minus half times 2 equal minus 1. So they are perpendicular. So now we fulfill the exact answer required from the mark scheme. Now move to the last part here. Find the coordinates of the points of intersection of L and M. If two lines meet at a point, at this point, the two equations of the two lines are equal each other at this point. And now we know the equation of L here, y equal 2x take away 4. So the yl equal ym at this point, and yl equal 2x take away 4, 2x take away 4 equal equation of m, which is minus half. We can take minus half. We can take half as a factorization, so we can rewrite this one to x as half of minus x, just to make it easier afterward here. And then 2 here as the bottom of the fraction, bring it over to the other side as a times. This will make the equation 4x minus 8 equal minus x minus 1. So to collect x's on one side, we need to bring minus x over to the other side as plus. That means it would be 5x, and bring minus 8 over to the other side as plus 8. So plus 8, take away 1, would be 7. So x equal 7 over 5. So now, since we got the value of x, what we should do to get the value of y, we substitute the value of x into any equation, whatever equation of L line or M line. So now substitute, for example, for L line, so it would be 2x 7 over 5 take away 4 equal y. So now 2 times 7 is 14. 2 times 7 here is 14. So we can write 14 over 5 take away 4 equal y. So now we need to make denominator here must be the same. How to do this one? I write multiply the top of the fraction by 5, the bottom of the fraction by 5. That means this one become 20. 20 take away 14 take away 20 will become minus 6 over 5. So this is the answer of y. So we have 2 points now. We have the value of x 7 over 5 and the value of y minus 6 over 5. So we can write our answer as 7 over 5 and minus 6 over 5. And this is your final answer. Yeah.